Are you busy trying to keep up with everything that's going on in your business? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to automate getting leads and sales in your business so you can free up some of your time and talk to qualified prospects. Hello, welcome to my channel. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Dr. Salina Baker. And each and every week on my channel, I love to share marketing tips and other ways to make money online. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this post. Talking about automation because look, we as moms, as parents, we are so busy. Like, we have so much going on, but then we're trying to build a business, and you're probably wondering, like, how the heck do I build this business? How do I keep up with all these leads? How do I keep up with the sales? Like, how do I get this going with not having to be there for every step of the process or whatnot? So I wanted to talk to you all about it real briefly about, automating the process, automating your business. So let me know in the comments if you have a what we call a sales funnel or a lead funnel or anything that captures leads. And on top of that, let me know if you have a lead magnet that is designed to capture the attention of your ideal audience or whatnot. Let me know that as well in the comments if you have a lead magnet, and also do you have a system that helps you collect leads like a funnel or whatnot. And if you don't have any of those things, also let me know if you have a email autoresponder. These three things that I mentioned, and it's not the only thing that you would need in your business, but these three things are what is going to help you automate the process of gathering leads, following up with your leads, and automating the sales process so you don't have to be a part of the whole entire thing. Because look, let's face it, we need bots and certain things to actually help us with the process. One, to weed out the people that will totally waste our time. And two, at the end, we can funnel them all the way through a system that at the end, we can talk to those qualified people, those qualified leads or whatnot, instead of talking to everybody. So this actually works where it doesn't matter what type of business you have. You can have a multi-level marketing business, so you can actually funnel leads in that are interested in the opportunity or products and whatnot, and filter them all the way through to the end until, bam, you know that they actually want to sign up or they want to set up an appointment with you. You can have it set up where you don't even have to have an MLM business. You can have a different business like real estate. Like, you could be a realtor, and people are interested in the information that you're putting out there and want to know more about what it is that you do. You can have a hair business. You can have anything. Like, it doesn't matter what type of business. It could be e-commerce as well. It doesn't matter what type of business. This particular system works for everybody and helps simplify everything for everybody. So I'm gonna talk briefly. Let me go. I'm going to share my screen real quickly. I'm going to use this feature. I've never used this feature before, but I'm going to use it for the first time, and hopefully y'all bear with me on this. It's a feature in Zoom, because I want to just give you a visual real quick before I go deep into everything. So, all right. So when you're trying to automate this process, first thing first is you need a funnel. Pretty much, you pretty much need a funnel, and the point of a funnel is to get to gather leads so you can start talking to more qualified people for your business or opportunity or whatnot. So what you want is what we call a lead magnet. And excuse my little drawing right now, but I just say that this is a lead magnet. And this is the lead magnet. So in this funnel, you're going to be attracting all types of people. So this say that you have, let's say for example, you put a post on Facebook. You got, all right. So anyway, y'all get the gist. You have this offer. You posted it in these different platforms. So wherever it is, you're posting where people are hanging out at, pretty much. Wherever they hang out, that's where you're posting at, right? And they are attracted to your lead magnet. What a lead magnet is pretty much maybe it could be a free offer, it could be a ebook, and anything about 30 pages is too much. Like, so I mean, I'll say keep it simple, like a guide, and make it like 10 page or something like that. If you want to do something like that, it could be a guide, it can be a cheat sheet, a checklist, an audio download. It could be anything that will interest your audience, like a recipe or something like that. And it could be for free, or it could be something that is really low cost, anything less than 10 bucks or so. And then now they put in their name and email here in the lead magnet, and then they go into what we called a bridge page. And typically the bridge page is more like a thank you page. So it can either be a video, it could be a video or some written word or something like that. But in this thing, you're thanking them for accepting your offer. You're giving them directions on how to, get the free offer that they had opt in for, if that's how you're doing it. You also maybe are telling them about an opportunity that you have. So in this instance, you'll probably have a lead magnet that leads to a thank you page, and in this thank you page, you're telling them about an offer that you have or whatever. So this can be your business opportunity. This can be your consulting business if you have a consulting business. It could be any type of thing, leading them, letting them know what it is that you offer, which they will click another button and go to the particular offer if they're interested in learning more about your offer. And that this is typically something where they'll either, let's say that it's something that they purchase. It could be something that they can buy from you. It could be a video of your opportunity with a survey at the end or something like that, so you can know that they're interested or whatnot. But that's pretty much a lead magnet, like a funnel. And in this funnel, when they put their name and email here at the lead, where it says lead magnet, they are typically going to be added to a email autoresponder. This is definitely what you need as well, because look, if we want to automate the business, then you're going to have a way to follow up with everybody. Following up is where the money is at, okay? And you should be getting a list. Like, you should be working on growing a list at all times, because your list is pretty much the one thing you'll own. You do not own any of these platforms. You don't own Facebook, IG, you don't own YouTube, you don't own any of these places. But what you do own is your email list, because once they put in their name and email, it is yours now. It's pretty much property. And this is where you're going to use, go ahead and do all your follow-ups and stuff. The tool I use is called ClickFunnels. And what ClickFunnels is not, and I'm going to say it again, it's not a website builder. It is actually a lead page builder or whatnot. And it actually helps you collect leads and helps you with the sales process. So there's different ways you can actually make a sales funnel where you have up sales and you have down sales. It could be very complicated if you really want it to be like this. Or if you just simply want to start gathering leads and showing them your offer whatever it is that they can purchase from you, something simple, then you can do a simple lead magnet with a funnel. And I actually use ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. It is just very user friendly for me. I can customize it any kind of way I want. But this funnel here, this is a simple funnel. You can see that I have two variations of it. This is a very simple funnel, and this funnel was actually given to me by a mentor of mine who is a $1 million earner. And at this time when she shared this with me, it was converting around 70%, which is very high, this funnel here. And it looks simple. This is what it looks like. It's simple. It doesn't have a bunch of stuff on it. Typically, when I see too much stuff on pages, I start to feel like they're scams or spams or there's too much going on. What we find that converts well is something that's simple, that just, hey, 1, 2, 3, this is it, you know? So this funnel right here is a simple funnel, and this is a lead magnet. This was an ebook that I had written about 2 years ago or whatnot. And this if they're interested in taking getting my ebook, then they can get it for free by entering their name and their name and email here. And then when they hit submit, they're led to a thank you page, which in this thank you page, I'm saying thank you for accepting my offer, and I give a little bit more insight about who I am as a person and why I discovered an opportunity, like whatever opportunity that I discovered. So what it is that I'm actually telling them about a system that changed the face of my business. And then when you click this link here, it'll go to my offer or whatnot. So, and then on top of that, when they put in their name and email, they'll also get an automated message from me with a follow-up series, which I use Aweber. I love Aweber. This is a great tool to use. If you don't have it, let me know in the comments that you need the Aweber system, which is a email autoresponder email system. So let's say that they opted in to my actual funnel, and they're going to get a series of emails from me automatically. This is how you automate your system, the system, guys. This is how you automate the process. They're going to automatically get emails from me on a daily basis for at least about a week or so, or whatever, a little over a week of emails that are automated. Now, I only told you need 3 things to automate your system, to automate the process. So then at the end, you're talking to qualified people. And the 3 things I said that you need, guys, and let me just unshare my screen. The 3 things I said that you guys need is a lead magnet, 1. And if you don't know how to make a lead magnet, let me know in the comments, and I can do a video on making lead magnets or whatnot. I said that you need a funnel system, and you need an autoresponder system. Those things are going to make the whole process so much easier for you. On top of that, this process actually automates the sales for you. So you can just wake up with already having sales in your business based on just because you had a magnet that actually attracted those people who are most likely to buy your product. I mean, I don't see how this is not a no-brainer for you guys, but I'm going to show my screen one more time. If you want this funnel here, which, like I said, when my mentor shared this with me, it was converting around 70%, 70, almost 80%. This is a simple funnel, and if you want it, I will absolutely give you this funnel for free. I will give you the share code to get this funnel for free. And all you have to do is already done for you. So all you have to do is just update and, update the picture, update some of the words so it could be more personal to you. So all you have to do is update it and bam. You know what I'm saying? You already have a funnel done for you versus you actually putting in all the time and hours and stuff like that trying to get this put together. And if you don't have a autoresponder email list or email list, then let me know in the comments as well, and I will actually share with you my code for you to get Aweber for, I think you can get it for a month for free, so a free trial. So everything, even ClickFunnels, there's a 14-day free trial with it. So if you get started, you'll at least get started for free. You'll have my funnel for free, that all you have to do is just edit it and make it your own. And then the email series already done for you. And then, hey, you know what? You can get started or whatnot. But like I said, if you need me to help you with getting your making a lead magnet, then let me know that as well in the comments, and I can make a video specifically for that. So that's all I have for you folks. If you find this valuable, please don't forget to share this out with your team, share this out with your friends and all your business associates. And I will see you guys later. Bye for now.